So the picture here, so A and B, right? The pattern here, right? These three, so we add 2 to the side, right? We start with these 3, right? Then we add these 2, right? Then we add another 2. Okay, so for A, we're going to have 3 stars like so, and then 4 stars on the bottom. And then we're going to add 2 more to the side. Okay, so this is A. B means we're going to take this shape. So we're going to take this and copy it. And we're going to add 2 more to the end. Okay, so we're going from 3 to 5 to 7 to 9 and then to 11. Okay, so the rule, right, to calculate from using the previous term value to the next would be to add 2 each time. Okay, so now if I were to use instead the term number to figure out what the term value is, what I can say is that for here, right, this is the same thing as 1, which is the term number, multiplied by 2 plus 1. Okay, here the term number is 2. This 5 can be written as 2, which is the term number, multiply that by 2, and we add 1. And the 7, right, 7 is going to be the term number, which is 3, multiplied by 2, and then add 1, which is 7. Okay, so now if I want to predict the 8th term in the sequence, the value of that, right, this is the term number, so we do 8 times 2 and add 1. Okay, so that's going to be 16 plus 1. So I predict that the value of the eighth term will be 17.